Welcome to RMM Help. In this session we provide an overview of sibling assets in RMM. Sibling assets are grouped assets that have either been purchased together or have been put together to form a relationship. The relationship is parent and sibling, so we have a parent asset and one or more siblings. In some asset management systems, these siblings are referred to as sub-assets. So I'll go to the asset section, and we've created a simple example of how this relationship is created. And here in our asset list, if I pass the mouse over this truncated description, you can see that we've got a medical equipment examination table. The one above is an examination monitor and our medical equipment examination printer. So what we'll do is we'll say that our table is the parent, and then we'll add two siblings of the monitor and the printer. And as both of these, the monitor and the printer, could be used independently, so they could be maintained independently, you could have PPMs on them, you might want to dispose of those separately. We won't when we come to the tick box to be able to dispose with the parent asset. We won't tick that. So we'll go to our examination table, we'll open that. Let's have a quick look at the picture so we can see what we're working on. So there's our monitor, and somewhere in here there might be a printer. So we click on Sibling Assets. This is a drop-down list with all our assets, and because I knew I was going to do this, I copied the first sibling asset ID, so I'll paste that into there, and there it is. When I click on it, it then fills that line. So I'll save that, and that's my first sibling asset. So that's our monitor. We'll now add the printer. I'll put the same number in, but this time I'll backspace over it. Oh, it should be 6 and not 4. And there's our printer, and I'll save that. And at that point we've now created a parent asset, which is our table sitting underneath, and we've added to it our monitor and our printer. And because I've not ticked on dispose with parent, when we come to dispose of the parent asset, it won't dispose of either of the two siblings. So this concludes the overview of sibling assets in RMM.